Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments and also follow the telegram channel to stay updated. Click on the bell notification to stay updated so you would not miss any of the updates. Once I give you guys an update, immediately you will get the update. Now if you take a look at this on our AUD USD, we can see that we are clearly on a downtrend move. Series of higher, lower low and a lower high is what AUD USD has been giving us. We're having a series of lower low and a lower high. Now, if you take lower market is doing, market is literally correcting before it eventually give us another drop. So above all, we should be expecting a sell only once you get the sell setup. If you do not see the sell setup, you're not hoping on the sell, only hoping for the sell once you get the sell setup. First, market should push up, push up. Once it pushes, then you can now get another sell. Then you can now expect a sell on AUD USD. So that is what we should be expecting. A little bit of a push up, then a sell is what you should be expecting. Possibly this level, pull back here, one more movements, then it will eventually sell or market starts selling from here, which I don't think it will. I believe it should push up a bit, then a sell.